If you're like most online sellers, you're probably wondering how you can get more sales, and most of us tend to overcomplicate that process. But there's actually something really simple you can do right now to get those sales and have happier, great repeat customers that are always ready to come back for more. And that simple thing is adding value. I'm Alice Seba from eKit Hub, and I've been showing our customers how to use done for you content since 2006, and I'd love to show you as well. It's really about helping your customers reach their goals and teaching them how to use your products so they can be effective consumers. Most people just sell a product and leave it at that. Now you can do just a tiny bit more and stand apart from all the competition, and here's how. Because when you add value to what you sell, you build a stronger connection with your existing audience, and you attract new people through word of mouth and from the simple fact that people want to associate with you because of the value that you offer. So now, let's say you are selling you're here on a free goal setting PLR offer, and you're wondering, as a seller of products and printables that help their people achieve their goals, some of the ways you can do this is to teach goal setting techniques through downloadable guides, classes, live events, and more. You can create a community built around accountability for those who want to achieve big goals. Actually work through using the tools that you actually sell to help see them reach their goals from beginning to end. Offer other tools and guidance to help customers become more goal-oriented and achieve more. After all, the more you empower your customers to use your products, the more they'll be back to buy more. And that's huge. So with that in mind, for a limited time, you can download this package completely free and use it to educate your audience on achieving their goals, and so they can buy more of your planners, printables, your coaching programs, whatever it happens to be. The package includes a 7-page how to set and achieve big goals in your life and stretch yourself further than you imagined report. You can use it as a free offer to join your list, give it as a printed bonus with your products, break it up into articles or social media posts. It's all up to you. The report comes in doc and PDF format for easy editing. There's also a complete report cover set and an editable flat cover. It's a professionally designed cover that comes in PSD format, which is simple to edit in Photoshop. But if you don't have Photoshop, no problem. You can also edit it using the free Photo P editor. We've also included 4 styles of 3D covers for you so you can promote your content. There's also the Discovering Values worksheet, which is a great companion for your report. It's a handy worksheet you could share to help your customers develop more effective goals. You can edit the worksheet as much as you'd like, and it also comes in doc and PDF format. And then there is, to go with everything else, is a SWOT analysis checklist. Now, if you don't know what SWOT is, it's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, right? So it helps them analyze and make, it's a great companion for the report, and you can help your customers understand their strengths and weaknesses so they can set and achieve their goals. Edit the worksheet, again, as much as you'd like, and it comes in doc and PDF format. So we've saved you the time and money creating the content yourself, and you can download it all right now. Plus, when you do sign up for this, you'll see a great offer to get a year's worth of goal setting content that can help you applying this every month. There's also lots of great stuff where you can create products from, and just click the link in the video description. If you're on the sign up page, you can click the add to cart button below so we can deliver your free done for you content package.